We are at the car wash in Scotts Valley near Santa Cruz. It's a Shell station that also has a car wash. So the car in front of us is still going, but let's enter our code.
Yeah.
It is, let's see our receipt here, 13894. $7.99. Express wash. 3894. I think I got that. 13894.
Yeah.
We are so verified. Nothing left to do now, but wait. So it's our turn. We'll leave the window down a little so you could hear. It's got a lot of brush action.
Yeah.
You can place your bets in the comments below that I forget to roll the window up. She must have gotten the Gold Plus Extreme wash or something like that. She's been in there for evs. Oh, cool. It's got the vacuum cleaner, or the vacuum, I'm sorry, the dryer that goes with the track. So you don't have to drive through the dryer, which I hate doing. I always do it at the wrong speed.
Yeah.
See that, Campbell? The dryer is moving along the track with the brushes. So I can't screw it up. Wow, 2 passes of the dryer. Okay, that's got to be the last process, right, Campbell? What else can they do to it? Buff it? Okay, she's done.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do what we're born to do and enter the wash. Nice and slow. Massive bump right there. Wait. Wait for it, and boom. Wait, it still says go forward more. My proximity sensor is warning me. Wow. It's a massive siren telling you that you've gone far enough. This is different, Campbell. It's immediately giving us some foam coverage.
Yeah.
We all have Santa Cruz allergies. Here comes the big brush down the middle, bud. Look at that big yellow one, Campbell, right by your head. That thing is huge. It's shaking the whole van, Campbell. Look at that. There's tons of brush action. I hope they leave some paint on the car. Spray. Hey Campbell, spray.
Hey.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll keep recording. I'll capture it all, including the vacuum. I'm not the vacuum, but the dryer. I keep saying that. Drying, Campbell. There's even a little thing over there that says drying. See, the dryers are inside this assembly that slides along the track, just like the brushes do. I have to say though, it's pretty weak. It's not doing a great job taking off the water. That's why that woman is still up there drying her car. You can tell it's just not moving the car at all. Usually when you dryer it shakes the whole car.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi Campbell. What do you think of this dryer, Campbell? Yeah, the rear window is still beaded up with water. There it is up here. there's the green light. Another big bump. Oh, we made it. Woo! That was fun.